Hello, welcome to Guide Glimpse.
How to revive in 99 nights in the forest. So here I'm going to teach you how to revive in 99 nights in the forest. To revive a friend in 99 days in the forest, first thing you need to do is have a bandage or a medkit with you. And then take out the bandage and then click on hold E to revive. As you can see, he's now for revive. So there you go, guys. That's how you revive in 99 nights in the forest. And a quick tip for you guys, you can also use medkits, but you can get bandage when you use class or when you what do you call this or classes. You can get a free bandage when you use a class, but depends on the class. But I think it's the class survivor if I'm not mistaken. But yeah, you can get a free one bandage. And so yeah, that's about it. And another quick tip for you guys. So when you are gonna revive your friend, um, to call this, make sure you or he has a bandage with him. Because when he has a bandage, it can just fall down. There you go. So yeah, I hope you guys like the video because you enjoyed. If you have any questions, type it down in the comments below, and we'll be happy to answer you. And thank you.
If you like the video, please consider giving us a thumbs up and subscribing for more content like this. Thank you.